yourself the chance to win, you walk away with a victory. Ano coach yung masasabi mo about this particular game you're most proud about with your players, about the players?
Pinaka proud ako doon sa lumaban lang sila. That they just competed, they fought it out. Di sila bumigay under pressure. It's just the fighting heart that the guys show. It's an advantage that we won the first game because nagpa-alternate lang yung results ng laro. We won the first one, they won second game, third game, fourth, we won. There's an advantage in adjustment. After you win the first game, you get to make the adjustments ahead of the other team. So yun lang yung advantage namin kapag adjust kami. Ang laki ng tinurong leksyon sa amin ng Magnolia. We're a young team, and to beat Magnolia in Game 5 where everything is at stake. And every time they beat us, tinatambakan nila kami. Doon lang sa ganung sitwasyon, masisiraan ka ng loob eh. Parang kaya-kaya ka nila dahil kung talunin kanina ng bahan. Pero the guys just disregarded that. They gave it their all. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, play this game for yourselves, for your teammates, for your family. It will go a long way in building your reputation, in building your respect for yourself. Ilaro nila, ibigay nyo na yung kaya nyo. And yun yung ginawa nila. So ako tingin ko, they give it 100%. We really have a chance. Yung mga leksyon na natutunan nila kay Paul ng team Mark Baroga, ito yung mga mga veterano na mga alam na po anong gagawin. Ang dami nilang natutunan sa ginawa ng dalawang yan. Sila Ian, sila Calvin. Sabi ko, panoorin nyo para maglaro yung mga yan. Kasi yan, planchado ng mga laro yan. Matututo kayo dyan. So, kung kaya nyo pa silang talunin, mas maganda pa. Dami nilang natutunan talaga sa mga Magnolia players.
Now, Coach, a big factor kung bakit kayo nakabalik sa larong ito, and one is because of Aaron Fuller. If you could just describe to us yung value, yung impact niya, and at the same time, how he took on that challenge and carried it out in the game, especially in the third and the fourth.
Well, Aaron's value is simple. We will not be here if not for him. He carried us on his broad shoulders. Magnolia defense was just clamping down on him. Double team, triple team, sometimes the whole team is around him. And sometimes he gets frustrated because he doesn't get the fouls he feels that he should get. But Aaron kept his composure. He held his emotions under check. And he's a silent leader. Doesn't talk much, but his actions speak for themselves. Just works hard. So his value is simple. We will not be here.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Aaron, if you could put into words how you feel right now and your thoughts with how the series turned out, from getting an eye injury back in Game 2 to this extending to a Game 5, and now you and your team are headed to the semifinals.
Yeah, no, it just it was a battle, and it just shows how much heart our team has. Did a great job coming up with a defensive game plan for today's game, and we came out and just left it all on the court, and just really proud of our guys. And we're gonna enjoy this. Case of rest, but we got some more work to do.
Thank you, Aaron. Now we open the floor to questions for the media.
Coach, congratulations on making the semifinals. You mentioned before, after game 4 na this game been a lot for you guys in terms of yung investment na for future. Now that you got this very big victory, how will this benefit you guys at least for the semifinal series against the Togenex?
Well, to repeat what I said, I told the guys in the dugout before the game that this game will define your reputation, will define your capabilities. It will also show the public how much we have improved through the years, the 2 years that I've been here. For the most part, a lot of these guys have been with us through those 2 years. We felt a little maybe challenged. Kasi alam namin na parang ginusto ng Magnolia na kami makatapat nila. Yung game nila with Converge, I felt yun na mas importante sa kanila yung makapagpahinga daw yung mga players kaysa sa mag-compete sila dun sa laro na eh. So to me, it was really a conscious choice on their part to play us. And Gabe Norwood kept telling us that we should exact some form of revenge for that. These guys chose us, so maybe maganda na magsisi sila na tayo pinili. So that was put as a challenge to the guys.
Coach, si Andre in the fourth quarter, a lot of big shots. Perhaps decided the game. But since you came over, parang isa si Andre sa mga napapagalitan mo, but he's stepping up to your challenges.
Kailangan kay Andre, inaalagaan mo sa sigaw at muga si Andre. Pero nagre-respond siya, yung maganda. Meron kasing player na pag pinapagalitan mo, they do not respond well. But Andre responds well. Kahit na si Jonah, do not respond well. Actually, all of them. So, they've gotten into that mental state where they know when I get angry, it's a way for them to be motivated. Alam na nila. And Andre made some big shots. And to me, Andre is the future of our team in the point guard position. And he will still get better. Gagaling pa si Andre.
Good evening, Coach. To Aaron. Aaron, you failed to make the semis with coaching while still with the NX. Just your thoughts of going to the semis right now with coaching still around.
That was good. Yeah, I'm really excited to finally be here. And like I said, it's a hard fought battle. I'm proud of our teammates, proud of our coaching staff for getting us prepared for this. And yeah, we want to keep getting better. We got to the semis last conference, so we're not just satisfied just getting here. It's a great opportunity to be here, but we still have work to do.
Coach, last conference, you were swept by San Miguel semifinals. Ano lang yung expectations mo ngayong makapag-deal for the second state conference?
We're playing a tough team. I think they're the defending champions, si TNT, di ba? So, totally we haven't really thought of anything other than this game. So if you're asking me about the next series, I haven't totally thought about that. So, ngayon ko lang naisip ng TNT pala, mga kalaban namin. So, pag-uusapan pa namin ng coaching staff how we approach the series against TNT.
Coach, you won game 3 of a best of 3 quarterfinal versus TNT last conference. Just 1 point. Do you think it will be that close?
Ayun, medyo gusto ko pa-enjoy itong laro na to kasi dun sa problema na naman iisipin namin. So, I just want to enjoy this game to win before thinking of the next series.
That said, we conclude our post-game press conference. Gentlemen, congratulations. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.